Ndewonu ndoyim. Welcome back to another Animal Spotlight where we learn the names of animals in Igbo one by one. Today's animal is the chicken. In Igbo, we say okuko. Can you say that with me? Okuko. Okuko. Did you know okuko is just the general name for chicken? The male chicken is called okoba. That's the one that crows in the morning. The female is called nokoko, the mother hen who lays the eggs. And the baby chicken, that's nwokoko, the little chick. If nwokoko was a person, she would be the neighborhood auntie, always busy, always protective, and always watching over her children. Let's say it together again. Okoko. Okoko. Good job. Now, let's try a sentence with okoko. Ahụrụ m ọkụkọ n'ụlọ anyị. That means I saw a chicken at our house. Now, you know how to say chicken or ọkụkọ in Igbo. Remember, learning Igbo can be fun, one animal at a time. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, ndoyim, ka ọ dịnụ. Bye.